Hey guys, so today I have exciting news, right? So this is based off of the feedback I've been getting, right? Based on my videos that I've been dropping for you. The Alpine videos, the semantic videos, and showing you how to make a website, right? So I've been getting feedback of people saying, "Oh, I would really love to learn how to build a website. Oh, I wish I could actually learn something. I wish that I could actually learn how to build a website, right? Or this what's it called? Alpine.js is a bit technical. I think it's advanced. So don't you have anything more basic? So I've been getting feedbacks like that, right? So this is how, or this is where my exciting news is coming, right? So are you ready for it? So the news is I'm going to be starting my web design tutorial series, right? Like how crazy is that? So I'm going to start my own series. So in this series, I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually build a website, right? I'm going to show you the tools you need to create a website like this one right now that you can see on your screen, or this other one, right? So obviously, I'm not going to show you how to make this website instantly, right? I'm going to teach you the basics, and then we'll go from there, and then I'll show you what you need to know, and then I'll teach you some other technical terms that you need to be aware of or to understand. And then I'm going to teach you about HTML. I'm going to teach you about CSS, and then I'm going to teach you about JavaScript, right? So if you're excited for that, right, please leave a like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. So when the first video drops by Monday, you'll be the first to see it, right? And then you can start learning. Okay? All right. And also for these are the people that feel like, oh, another year has come to an end, though. I'm not achieved anything this year. Oh Lord, why me? That kind of thing. So if you're that kind of person, right, this is also for you because I'm gonna try and make it seeing how you can be good to go by January, at least before January ends. So you have this whole month now, 30 days, or at least what's left of the 30 days, right, to start learning HTML, to actually start a career in web development. That if that's the field you're going to, or you just want to learn something else on the side, this is actually a great thing to do because the whole world now is shifting into tech. So this is really something that you should jump on. Okay, so if you're excited, like I said, leave a like, subscribe, share it to that friend or that sister or that brother that's only staying at home and not doing anything, or maybe don't, just somebody that you feel that can learn from it, right? Share it to them and let them jump on this one. All right, remember to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in class. Bye bye.